Russell Simmons' name has started making the rounds on social media and entertainment news sites once more. But this time it's not because of a recent issue or a new statement he made, rather his ex-wife Kimora Lee. Simmons' recent remarks have brought up old issues, which is why there's a renewed interest. Kimora candidly discussed her early relationship with Russell Simmons in a recent interview, calling that time in her life a hot mess. She admitted that she was rather young at the time, and their large age difference contributed to the relationship's complexity. Her frank comments swiftly went viral on the internet, sparking fresh conversation about power dynamics, age differences, and how these elements may impact young individuals in prominent relationships. It is crucial to make clear that Russell Simmons has not specifically addressed Kimora's remarks in any recent public statements. Rather, anything he has recently said or done. The public's response to her remarks is what is driving the present trend. However, social media users took advantage of the occasion to review Simmons' previous scandals, which have trailed him for years. Russell Simmons has been the target of numerous accusations of sexual assault over the past 10 years, some of which date back to the 1980s and 1990s. He has continuously refuted every accusation. The long-term harm to his reputation was not much mitigated by the cash settlements reached in certain cases, which did not involve an admission of guilt. These accusations are virtually always brought up in public discourse whenever Simmons' name trends. Simmons is also still embroiled in a legal dispute related to the documentary. On the record, he has filed a multi-million-dollar defamation lawsuit against HBO and the filmmakers, claiming that the documentary overlooked evidence that he believes proves his innocence and presented a biased story. Even though his case is not brand new, it is still pending, making it pertinent whenever he comes back into the public eye. The larger story around Simmons has also been influenced by family conflicts. His connection with his daughters has been made public in recent years, especially after his daughter Aoki Lee Simmons accused him of verbal and emotional abuse on social media. Although Russell Simmons refuted those allegations, he then posted words in which he expressed regret, love, and a wish for his family to heal. The public's view of his private life was further complicated by these conversations. Kimora Lee Simmons has also discussed her role as her children's primary carer in several interviews, and she has made it apparent that her relationship with Russell Simmons is now restricted to co-parenting. Her emphasis on the lack of an erotic or intimate relationship between them has reinforced the notion that their lives have diverged. Russell Simmons has maintained his public declarations that he loves his family and aspires to reconciliation despite the lengthy list of scandals, even as arguments and charges have been made in public. Nevertheless, rather than his prior successes in music and business, his name has continued to relate to controversy due to unsolved legal issues, previous settlements, and family disagreements. As of right now, Russell Simmons has not been the subject of any surprising revelations, new charges, or arrests. The reason for the present trend is because Kimora Lee Simmons' recent remarks revived discussions about his history, prompting individuals to revisit long-standing accusations, court cases, and family disputes. What's happening right now isn't a new chapter. Rather, it's a fresh response from the public to stories that have been unresolved for years.